capital G, small g. G says G. G for grapes. G for gum. G for grass. G for gate.
Let us write capital letter G. For that, draw a left curve. Go up, stop. A small horizontal line towards left, then right, and a vertical line. Next, small letter G. Small left curve, go up, join, vertical line, then a small hook towards left. Let us write capital G and small g together. Left curve, go up, stop, horizontal line towards left, right, and a vertical line. Next, small g. Left curve, go up, join, vertical line, and a small hook.